James Lake, and I'm 11 years old. I've had a passion for science ever since I started studying the periodic table. And that grew to atoms, and chemistry, and physics, and it's still growing today. I'll be doing the Bendy bones experiment, but to organize it a small bit more, I'll split it up in 4 parts: hypothesis, setup, experiment, and results. So without any further ado, let's go. Expecting the acidity inside of the vinegar to dissolve the calcium, leaving the bones soft. I have 3 bones. I have the leg bone, right here. I have the wishbone, right here. I'm having this long, flat, unnameable bone right here. I'm expecting the wishbone probably get soft first, and the leg bone to get soft last. Because this is so thin, it probably has less calcium because it feels like I can break it with just my fingers. But this one, it's really thick, so I'm expecting it to have more calcium. Right here, I have a bowl, and I have some vinegar right here. I also have some saran wrap to cover the bowl when there's the bones in it and vinegar in it. Bones on the Diego plate, into here, but we're going to be doing the wishbone.
3, 2, 1.
Pull. What the heck? Okay, hold it. And pull. Yeah! I won. Okay.
Good job, James.
So, we're going to use half of this in Coca-Cola and the other half in the vinegar. I'm going to take the bigger half of the wishbone and put it into the bowl. Then I'm going to take the vinegar and I'm going to pour the vinegar into the bowl. Okay, this is good. And then I'm going to take the saran wrap and put it over the bowl, and I am going to cut the saran wrap off. Now, the reason I have the saran wrap on is because it will block the scent and it will prevent the bones from floating up too high. Hello again. As a side experiment, I'm going to take the other half of the wishbone, but instead use Coca-Cola, which I know is very acidic. So I'm going to put the bone into the bowl, then take the Coke and put it on top of the bone. Which I will then cover with saran wrap to stop the bones from floating all the way to the surface and to prevent contamination of the experiment. So it's been 4 days. Let's check. This is the bone that was in the Coca-Cola. It is dyed and pretty bendy in the middle. This is the wishbone. It is very bendy, just like rubber. This is the leg bone. It's not as bendy, but it is much, much lighter. The acidity inside of the 2 liquids has dissolved some of the calcium inside of the 4 bones, leaving them bendy. Thanks for watching, STEM Camp.